Students, how are you? I am also fine. So in this today's ICT class, we are going to revise this annual examination syllabus question. Okay? So we have already read this question in the previous classes. So right now we are going to revise this. Okay? So do you know what is mouse? Okay. I brought a mouse for you. This is a mouse. And what kind of device it is? It is output device or input device? Mouse is a input device. So we read this in the previous class. So let me show you another thing. What is this? This is a keyboard. So what kind of device it is? Input or output device? What kind of device it is? Keyboard is also an input devices. So because we have to use this when we need to enter this keyboard like here. I will show you. When you enter this USB cable like this, then it gets connected. So keyboard is also an input devices. Okay. So we all already know that mouse have two buttons. Mouse have two buttons. Left button and right button. This is called left button and this is called right button. So number 2 question is, what is left button used for? Left button is used to point any menu. Suppose we have to select this menu, then we have to use mouse to select any kind of menu, tool, icon and selection of text or picture. When you want to select some text or picture, we have to use our left button. We have to use our left button in the mouse. So now question number 3, how to start the computer? This is very easy question, right? How to start the computer? First, switch on the main power. This is called main power. This is called main power. When we start a computer, we need to switch on the main power. Then number 2 is switch on the UPS. We don't have a UPS right here, but when we have a PC in our house, then maybe we have some UPS. But because this is a digital board, so we don't need a UPS. So number 3 is switch on the CPU. Switch on the CPU. Do you know what is CPU? CPU is like a machine. CPU is like a machine. Okay. And switch on the monitor. Switch on the monitor. So the 4th option is switch on the monitor. So if we want to start a computer, we need to follow 4 steps. First one, switch on the main power. Number 2, switch on the UPS. Number 3, switch on the CPU. And the last one is switch on the monitor. So another question is how to shut down the computer. When we start the computer, we must need to shut down also the computer. So these are also simple steps. We click on the Windows icon symbol. This is Windows icon. This is, here you can see, this is Windows icon. So if we want to shut down the computer, we need to click here. Then number 2, click on power button. Click on power button. Okay, I will show you the power button. If we click here, what kind of problem? Okay. So we need to, number 2, click on the power button. Then click on turn off or shut down option. Number 3 step is click on shut down or turn off option. Switch off UPS. If we on the UPS when we start the computer, then we must switch off the UPS also. Number 5, switch off the main power. Switch off the main power, that's means at last we need to switch off this main power. So right now, can we start the computer and shut down the computer? Yes, very good. Thank you very much for the classes. Thank you everyone.